Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I thought do a different type of a video. I thought I'll show you how I research my stocks and how I keep a tab on the stocks, like the process I follow. So as you can see, I am using TradingView. That's the platform I am using for my trading and my videos, and that's the one I am using. So the trading view I have is the paid version. I was I used the free version sometime back, but then I realized due to the limitations of the free version, I upgraded to the lowest version. Like in the paid they have three packages from memory. Uh, so I have the lowest one, whatever they call. I have that version. That's what I have. So mainly how I do my research is on the stock is see the here you can see stock screen. Stock screen is the like this research they tool they have. Then I go here to these filters. Mainly what I'm checking is for my research here ASX. You can use any of these filters. Then market capitalization, I tend to go 100 mil or above. Most of the time, you can again do the way you want. If you want, you can select the industry how you want to do it, and the sector if you want. But I personally I do this. If you want RSI, you can again put whatever the number you want and below or above or equal. Um, so mainly I'm doing this. Then I check this, then I go to the back here, then here it has the rating, then I select buy, strong buy. This is the rating comes from the trading view. Then I have a look. For example, what I do after that is this big sort of go check sort of one by one, depend on the time you have. Some when like you already see already have done the marks on it, so then I realize, yep, this is what I'm looking for in this stock. So keep looking. Then if I find something like technical point of view, like something good, see like this volume is going up, this is AGL, it is in one of my lists. Then what I do is here you can see I have a lot of lists I have created. This is ASX 100, ASX agriculture team, ASX Ausbisal. This show you that one as well. Bank stocks, buy now, pay later. So I try, if something interesting comes, I try to add it to one of these what I call one of these lists. Then once a week, because with my work commitment I don't get the chance to look at these every day as such, but once a week I try to go through my lists and see uh, how each stock sort of done, because I'm more like a long term sort of a thinking like a trader. So once a week I check. I can't say I check all the lists, but I try to check ASX small cap I check every week, ASX tech stocks I check every week. Then I have ASX buy. This is like I put for myself like good stocks which I like sort of into this list. So I look at that one once a week. I try to go most of them once a week. When you go through every week, then you have that what you call memory sort of, okay, last week this stock was like this, or we are looking for a breakout. That sort of, when you go through every week you get that feeling, you get to know not all the stocks but at least 50-60% of your list, like stocks in your list, you get to feel some feeling, okay, this is what I'm waiting for, and because I already have these support resistance mark and that sort of things. Then I was showing you here the OSBIS. So the other things I check is I listen to this OSBIS, the call. It's every 12 o'clock. I don't get to like listen to it every day 12 o'clock, but I listen it. It's in podcast. Everyone have the mobile these days. You can listen to the podcast whenever you're free. So when I go to work or when I'm doing something, if I have some time, I listen to this. So this is like two experts coming. They're discussing 10 stocks, their view. If some, let's say some stock, for example, I just pick, let's say ALQ, I don't know what it is. They all, both of them say some positive news. Then I go back to the chart, type ALQ, have a quick look. Okay, what's that? Is anything good technical point of view? Anything good happening? And if I like it, then I will add it to one of these uh, lists. So I will follow up. So that's the purpose of adding to this list. Then the other thing is this full Motley Fool. This is the free. I don't have any subscription to this. I just read it once a day or so. Then I get a feel for what's happening in the stock market. If someone goes really high, what's the reason? If someone drops, like a stock drops so dramatically, what's the reason? Sort of get a feeling for what's happening in the stock market. And sometimes they show, let's say, trending articles. Let's say if I can show something. Uh, TPG, because I had that. My stock loss triggered last week. So they say like these are like good ones. Try to find something like that, because there are articles they say this will be good in 2021, 2020. See, 5 things to watch. Oh, sorry, not that sort of a thing. So yeah, I read this one once a day. I try to, let's say, I try to read once a day, just to see, just to get a feel for what's happening in the stock market. If I like any article here, which like a stock I'm not used to, I just go to the, again, to trading view, just type the code and have a look how it is looking. Again, if I like, I add it to one of these lists. So that's how I keep track of the, again, like I have my own shares here. I have 5 shares now. I had like TPG triggered my stop loss last week, so it sold out. So now I am looking to buy one stock again from that money. Yeah, I used to have a lot of stocks in my portfolio. Sometimes I used to have 10, 11 stocks, but then I realized with my work, I'm not full time sort of looking at this every day. It's a bit hard, like to keep an eye, keep it nice and tidy. Because at the end, our aim is to make money. If you're not making money, then no point you're investing in the market unless you are happy to gain some knowledge or anything. So my aim is to make money. So then I realized, and the other thing is, if when you have 10, 11 stocks in your portfolio, it is hard to keep a track on the stocks. Then I realized it's too hard. Then now I am only maximum 6, 7 I will have at a time in my portfolio. That's all. I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, how I find the stocks for you guys, how I find the stocks for myself. Yeah, if you have any comments, please let me know. If you like this video and my channel, please subscribe to it. See you next week. Thanks.